5 Best Lightweight Vacuum Cleaner for Elderly 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 5, Lightweight Cordless Stick Vacuum, Self-Standing and Powerful. Tired of cumbersome vacuums? Meet your new cleaning partner, the Lightweight Cordless Stick Vacuum. Engineered for effortless power, its 40 kPa suction and high-speed motor tackle dirt, debris, and pet hair on any surface, from hard floors to carpets, with remarkable efficiency. The true game-changer? Its hands-free self-standing design. Simply pause, and it stays upright, freeing your hands instantly. No more leaning. Experience uninterrupted cleaning with the innovative S-shaped anti-tangle brush, designed to effortlessly manage hair. Plus, its ultralight, ergonomic design ensures comfortable one-handed operation and easy reach for overhead spaces. Complete with versatile nozzles, this vacuum transforms daily chores into a breeze. Discover powerful, hassle-free cleaning reimagined. Number 4, Cordless Stick Vacuum, Pet Hair and Tangle-Free. Tired of pet hair and constant vacuuming? Discover the Cordless Stick Vacuum, Pet Hair and Tangle-Free, your ultimate cleaning partner. Its powerful 600W brushless motor delivers an incredible 50,000 pascals suction, effortlessly capturing pet hair, dust, and debris across all surfaces. Enjoy up to 65 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning with its long-lasting battery, easily tackling your entire home. The extra-large 2L dust cup means less frequent emptying, complemented by 99.99% HEPA filtration for truly cleaner air. Pause anytime, anywhere, thanks to its convenient self-standing design. With an intuitive LED display and 4 suction modes, intelligent cleaning has never been easier. Reclaim your spotless home, hassle-free. Number 3, Anti-Tangle Cordless Stick Vacuum for Pet Hair. Say goodbye to frustrating pet hair tangles. Our Anti-Tangle Cordless Stick Vacuum redefines clean, featuring an innovative V-roller brush that virtually eliminates hair wraparound, reducing it by a remarkable 95%. Powered by a whisper-quiet 580W brushless motor, it unleashes 50 kPa of supreme suction, effortlessly lifting deep-down pet hair and debris from carpets and floor gaps. Enjoy up to 70 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning across your entire home with its high-capacity detachable battery. Designed for your convenience, it boasts a self-standing feature and an intuitive LED touch display for seamless mode switching and real-time alerts. Breathe easier with its 7-stage filtration system, ensuring a healthier, cleaner home environment. Conquer pet hair with unprecedented ease and efficiency. Number 2, Powerful Cordless Stick Vacuum, 120-minute runtime, Tangle-Free. Tired of vacuuming interruptions and tangled brushes? Discover the powerful cordless stick vacuum, designed for effortless cleaning. With 2 included batteries, enjoy an incredible 120 minutes of runtime, conquering your entire home without a single charging break. Its 50 kPa turbo suction, 600W, rips through embedded pet hair, crumbs, and deep-seated dirt on all surfaces. Experience true convenience. A self-standing design allows instant pauses, while the Tangle-Free, LED-illuminated brush head eliminates hair wrap and exposes hidden dust. Monitor everything instantly on the smart LED dashboard. The extra-large 1.5L dustbin and 6-stage HEPA filtration ensure fewer interruptions and pristine air. Clean smarter, not harder, and reclaim your peace of mind. Number 1, Eureka Lightweight Cordless Stick Vacuum for Pets. Pet parents, conquer fur and dander effortlessly, reclaiming a spotless home. The Eureka Lightweight Cordless Stick Vacuum for Pets revolutionizes your cleaning routine. Its anti-tangle nozzle ensures powerful, consistent carpet suction without frustrating hair wrap or manual cleanup. Smart Sense Plus React technology automatically optimizes power and brush speed for all surfaces, from hardwood to tile, boosting suction on heavy dust. The robust 350W motor and H13 HEPA filter capture 99.95% of allergens and odors, delivering a fresher, healthier environment for your family. Enjoy up to 60 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning, with versatile handheld conversion for every corner. Experience effortless deep cleaning for your busy home, designed for pet owners. So, that sums up my 5 best lightweight vacuum cleaner for elderly. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time, have a great day.